Oh, wow. Oh, sorry. My name's Babita and my child's called Sapere and I'm from Liverpool. For him to try new fruit, if he's not familiar, he'll know what it is, ironically, but if he's not familiar with the taste, he might automatically say he doesn't like it. I think the game, because it's if you like, it is a game, and because it's interactive and it's fun and it's bright and colourful, then to say, you can say, well, remember on that game there was cabbage. Should we try that? Let's get a cabbage. Let's see what that looks like. Let's try and cut up together and cook it together, and just so really go through the journey of that vegetable in the real world. He loves anything that's sort of interactive. I can tell by the way he was playing with it. He was watching to see what was happening next. And because he could recognise the vegetables in there, that was a key winner for him. Peas. Oh, we like peas. He loves to taste them all with a yum, yum, yum.